In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add, edit, and delete an element on your Weebly website. This process is quite straightforward and only takes a few minutes. Whether you're new to website building or just looking to refine your existing skills, this guide will help you confidently navigate and manage your website elements. Let's start by heading over to Weebly's free website builder. Open your web browser and type in the URL for Weebly's official site. Once there, look for the login button, usually positioned at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on it and enter your registered email and password to log in. This step gets you into your dashboard where you'll be making all your magic happen. After logging in successfully, you'll arrive at the overview page of your Weebly account. From this page, locate the Edit Site button. Clicking this takes you into the website editor interface. This is essentially the control room for all your edits and updates. It's where you'll be spending a lot of your time as you build or manage your website. Once in the editor, direct your attention to the menu on the far left of your screen. Here, click on the Build tab. This section houses all the elements you'll use to construct your web pages. Now that you're in the build mode, you'll want to click on the option labeled Show All Elements. This action expands your toolset, giving you access to all the components available for building site pages. With the Elements menu expanded, you can now see the variety of tools at your disposal. You can click and drag any element you wish to use onto your page, which is as simple as dragging it to the desired position. This functionality provides you with the flexibility to structure your page according to your preferred layout. Let's say you need to make changes to an element. Simply click on the element you want to edit. A small menu usually appears, allowing you to adjust settings and make the necessary changes. It's as intuitive as pointing and clicking. In situations where an element is no longer needed, removing it is just as easy as adding it. Move your cursor to the top right corner of the element you wish to delete. You'll notice an X icon appear. Click on this icon to begin the deletion process. A prompt will usually ask for confirmation to ensure you truly want to delete the element. If you're sure, go ahead and click on delete. And there you have it, you've successfully learned how to add, edit, and remove elements on your Weebly website. With these skills, you can dynamically shape your web presence, ensuring it reflects exactly what you envision. Thank you for watching, and happy